Hello, very good day for you. And today, Agri-Biz International YouTube channel is going to talk with you about how Kenya calculate tea prices. When you look at the industry in the world, the price calculations for the green leaf or green leaf suppliers is vary from country to country. So Sri Lanka is calculating in some different way, and Kenya calculate in some other way. India, China, and some other Vietnams, they have their own formula for green leaf calculation, so price for green leaf. So today we focus about how Kenya is calculating tea prices or green leaf prices. So what the price they give to the green leaf suppliers for monthly. So I'm Tarak Jayasinghe here for Agri-Biz International. So normally the Kenya, they have two price systems for green leaf supply. Actually, these two considered as one is the advance payment. First or base advance payment is the first one, and second one is the year end bonus. This is how they calculate. Normally what they do is the broadleaf factories, they give monthly payment to the supplier, where they when we where they defining the advance payments. They consider what is the price for the factory, and what are the other costs, and what are the other impacts. Based on that, all the factories, they agreed pre-agreed prices for the first payments or the base payments. As example, Kenyan ceilings, 20 to 30 per kilograms, 20 or to 30 per kilograms. What they do is, throughout the year they pay this price for tea suppliers. So they multiply by the amounts they supply to the factory, and they give that advance payments throughout the year, right? Then what they do is, at the end of the year, actually this price calculation is conducting end of the October, month of October. When they calculation this price, they consider the auction price, factory price, and what are the operational cost. Based on this factor, they calculate what is the bonus prices per kilogram. As example, Kenyan ceiling, 40 or 60, like that amounts per kilogram. So this is the second payment we consider. This is a bonus payment. As example, monthly advance payments is actually the total production by multiplied by monthly rate. So as example, if you supply 10,000 kilograms per year, they multiply by 20 ceilings. 200,000 Kenyan ceiling is the amounts they receive through the year. As example, that to 200,000 Kenyan ceilings divided by 12, it mean around 16,700 per month. This is the amounts the monthly take as a salary for the tea farmers. But at the end of the year, they calculate the bonus amount based on the factory prices, auction prices, and other operational costs. As example, we have put 60 Kenyan shillings per kilograms. If you give the 10,000 kilograms per factory per year, so you have to multiply by 10,000 by 60, it means 600,000 Kenyan shillings. The total income is the 200,000 plus 600,000 is the 800,000 Kenyan shillings is the annual income of the tea farmers who is receiving at the end of the year. This is the one of good pricing systems, because all the factories are pre-agreed the what is the advance monthly advance payment. Because of that, price competition is not available in the Kenyan tea collection. So because of that, they take good advantage to maintain the quality of the tea products, because there is no competition for the price. If there is a competition, the tea farmers are going to the higher prices, and what they do is, some factories who's taking a lot of teas, and some others are not receiving because of different price disparities. But in this way, though the factories are paying equal amounts throughout the year, but at the end of the year they calculate what is the total they have to pay as a bonus. So next video we will explain how Sri Lanka is calculating tea prices monthly, because they calculate monthly, and total amount of the payment they have to settle within the month, according to the law of Sri Lanka. But in Kenyan method is some different, but it has reduced the additional competition for the green leaf supplier for the prices. So with that, we conclude our today discussions about we discussed today about Kenyan tea pricing formula. So with next video, we will hope to discuss about how Sri Lanka is calculating green leaf prices. So with that, thank you very much for being with Agri-Biz International. Please subscribe, share video, comments. With that, we can stop for today. Thank you very much.